Choosing the right dual-channel oscilloscope can be challenging. Limited bandwidth, unclear waveforms, bulky designs, and lack of portability often slow down your work. That's where modern handheld oscilloscopes stand out. They offer accurate signal analysis, compact builds, and multifunction tools in one device. Today, I'll show you the top 5 best dual-channel oscilloscopes. Powerful, portable, and perfect for electronics, automotive diagnostics, and lab use. We researched real user feedback and specs to build this list. Check the description for updated prices and links. Number 5. TOOLTOP 2-channel 120 MHz portable oscilloscope. The TOOLTOP 2-channel 120 MHz oscilloscope is a compact and versatile tool designed for both beginners and professionals. It combines an oscilloscope and signal generator in one device, making it ideal for testing and troubleshooting circuits. With 120 MHz bandwidth and dual-channel input, it delivers stable and clear waveform analysis. Its portable USB-powered design makes it perfect for fieldwork and automotive diagnostics. The interface is simple to use while multiple input options ensure flexible connectivity. A solid choice for everyday electronics work. Number 4. OWON HDS 2202S Handheld Digital Oscilloscope. The OWON HDS 2202S is a powerful 3-in-1 device that combines an oscilloscope, multimeter, and signal generator. With an impressive 200 MHz bandwidth and 1 gigasamples per second, it provides accurate and detailed waveform capture. Its dual-channel design allows simultaneous signal comparison, making it ideal for advanced diagnostics. The handheld form factor and rechargeable battery enhance portability, while the built-in display ensures easy operation. Perfect for engineers and technicians who need a reliable all-in-one testing solution. Number 3. ALIENTEK DS100 Digital Oscilloscope. The ALIENTEK DS100 offers a great balance between functionality and portability. With the 250 MSAS sampling rate and dual-channel support, it provides clear waveform visualization for most electronics tasks. It also features a built-in multimeter, adding extra convenience for measurements on the go. Waveform storage capability allows you to save and review data easily. Its compact handheld design makes it suitable for field technicians, hobbyists, and students. A dependable and affordable oscilloscope for everyday signal analysis. Number 2. FNIRSI DS215H Handheld Oscilloscope. The FNIRSI DS215H is a sleek and modern 2-in-1 oscilloscope with a built-in signal generator. It features a 50 MHz bandwidth and dual-channel input, delivering reliable performance for common testing needs. The high-definition display ensures clear waveform visibility, while its automatic measurement functions simplify operation. Lightweight and portable, it's perfect for quick diagnostics, DIY electronics, and fieldwork. Its user-friendly interface and compact design make it a popular choice for beginners and professionals alike. Number 1. UNI-T 81 Series Dual-Channel Oscilloscope. The UNI-T 81 series stands out as a professional-grade oscilloscope with built-in multimeter and signal generator functions. With up to 100 MHz bandwidth and dual-channel capability, it offers precise and stable waveform analysis. Its robust build quality ensures durability, while the integrated features reduce the need for multiple devices. Ideal for laboratory use, industrial diagnostics, and advanced electronics work, this oscilloscope delivers reliable performance. A top-tier choice for those who demand accuracy and versatility. Dual-channel oscilloscopes are essential for accurate signal analysis and troubleshooting. These top 5 models offer excellent performance, portability, and multifunction features for professionals and hobbyists alike. Whether for lab work or field use, there's a perfect option here. Which one would you pick?